how to redeem your Sephora birthday gift. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can redeem your Sephora birthday gift, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now first of all, if you want to go ahead and then basically redeem your Sephora birthday gift, it is actually very simple to do so. First you need to log into your Beauty Insider account, which is sephora.com. Then after you've done that, what you want to do is you want to add the products that you want to buy to your cart that you can see from the top right. Once you add the products you want to buy to your cart, you can simply head over to the checkout process that you can find from the bottom. And once you tap the account icon from the bottom of the screen over there, if you scroll down, you'll find the option called add promo or reward code. So now all you have to do is make sure to enter your reward code over here. And after you've done that, you will be able to enter your birthday code. Once you do that, you will be able to redeem your birthday gift. This way you will be able to redeem your Sephora birthday gift. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.